Hi again and welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, we will see how to transform a text produced by ChatGPT into a video by a platform named Pictory. First of all, let's tell our dear ChatGPT to write us a video script about logo design types. And here we are. It's given us the script for the video. And now ChatGPT has finished to write all the script. We will copy it and we go to Pictory. So Pictory, it's a platform that is text to video specialized. As you can see, first of all, you have to make a profile, of course, and then you would be in this page. As you can see, you have 4 options: script to video, article to video. Here you can paste the URL, edit videos using text, and visuals to video. Yes, you will choose this one. We will copy here our text and we will press here proceed. We will choose some template. I don't know which one. We choose this one, for example. This one, this ratio, and continue. And now he's proceeding, and he gave us the video. We press here preview. As you can see, it's a video with all the text we prepared. It's really great. So, as you know, we didn't make any modification to the text. You can make the modifications you want and then put it in Pictory to make a better video. Just amazing. Here you can change the scenes in each presentation, what will be written, and here you can add the audio. You have many tracks to choose from. For the audio tracks, you can choose here the purpose, the mood. I can choose here hopeful, optimistic, apply. The purpose. So he gives us some choices and we can listen to someone. By a journey, always optimistic, never give up, and you can apply it to the video. Let's preview it from here. Just amazing. So the work of hours can make just few seconds with this wonderful platform. It's really amazing. You can make videos and sell them to the YouTubers or for any other purpose. I really like it. So